SMS Street Trader has been a good day today. Huge 42,000 contracts bought at the 11:23:20 call. And let's take a look as we go into the closing bell to see the kind of volume that's going to come into play on these contracts. You can see the volume ripping. We got 9 minutes to the closing bell. The high was 1730. The low was 1290 on the day. So on the opening bell, they went from 1290 up to 1730, back down here, and we picked some up at 1390. Not to mention that our other trade here that we would like to highlight to our MMTs, we still own our call contracts for November, the 550 call. That's up another $7,800 today on itself on Google, just so people know. MMTs are aware of that. So basically, Google made a high. Everyone already seen all those trades. This is the Apple calls, 42,000. We're ticking that. We're going to watch the volume. The little players with little volume is coming in. It doesn't matter. What matters is that we picked up 5 of them at $13.90, so we saved $1,700 on our entry. That's what it's about, folks, because most of the people early in the trading session paid up at the highs, folks. So therefore and thereafter, we're going to let that thing run. The high on Apple intraday early in the day was $319. Let everybody know. There it is now. It's within $1.03 of breaking that high going into the closing bell. And we're going to have a big fat earnings report. A lot of people think it's baked in the cake, but they can come back and do what Google did on Friday when we did those earnings. Go back and take a look at those live videos. Those on our website there, MMTs. You lived it. You were through it. And right now you're trading that Apple. We're going to see if they can burn that. People were taking profit into the close. We've got exactly 7 minutes left. Here we are right there. These contracts are climbing higher. We're above 43,136. Huge buying on the Apple 320 call. As I'm going into the closing bell, we have 4 minutes left, so I'm going to conclude this video so I can start a new one. Right now, this is going to be a tick chart that we'll use in after hours. One of the things that we're going to make very clear here is we're going to put some shares out to buy here at $310.50. And basically, when that report comes out, if there's a big knee jerk and he slams it down, you'll see it on this tick chart right here. And here, let's make sure, because we already cashed in the equity today, made several trades today on that. So basically, what we're going to do is buy 300 shares. They're going to come out. They're going to report. We're going to see what that knee jerk is. If he hits me down there, I make a lot of money. So basically, if he doesn't hit me, that's okay too. That's that drop down. That's $310.50 open. Okay, total cost on that trade is $93,000. That's a wholesale bid down here at $310.50 going into the closing bell for the earnings. Enjoy this one, MMTs.